That's good.
이 쿠킹 계속 있어. 나 예뻐.
Are you filming?
Yes.
이거
Okay.
이거 해봐. 아직 이거.
Oh, okay.
또 할로 오네.
There's a lot of
Okay.
pressure. There's a lot of pressure in this meal. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. 고맙습니다. Hey guys, how are ya?
오 친구.
Very friendly people. Yeah.
바이바이.
Okay, bye bye. Hey, these things are still alive.
Oh God. Oh,
Oh, are you filming that?
not anymore.
Rick, no, film it.
I did. I'm saying it's not alive anymore.
Looked like you there for a second.
What? Oh, that was sad. It spit water out. Oh, that one's trying to get away.
How'd the wood collection go?
We've got tons of wood.
Right?
But the guy came over and he's like, no fire.
Oh, really?
So we're gonna wait until he goes to bed.
This is the way to go. Hey guys, say hello. Daisy from the Philippines, Chad from Newfoundland. Don't tell me. Letitia from Seattle. Where's Juan? Juan is from South Korea. Oh, he's opening. Okay.
Oh, you missed it. It was opening and closing.
So we ordered this, and we're not sure what's going on here. We're gonna eat it. Natalie looks a bit concerned. It's like Fear Factor weekend.
The other one is eating now.